Welcome to the Mesonet Weather Report. I'm Wes Lee. It appears that cooler than normal temperatures are going to be the norm for Oklahoma for at least a little while longer. Since the first of the month, the state has spent more time below normal than above, as seen in this chart. The dark line is the statewide normal, and the blue line shows how much above or below normal we have been. The National Weather Service forecast for next week does not show much of a warming trend either. The grays indicate normal conditions, while the blues indicate expectations for below normal temperatures. This cooling trend has many producers of warm-loving plants like cotton and soybeans to be concerned about whether their crops will continue to finish development on time. Degree days are our best weather indicator of crop progress. Taking a look at cotton degree days at 3 locations shows there is not too much concern as of now. The blue bars show this year's degree days at Altus, Weatherford, and Hooker as of the 15th. The orange bars represent the 5-year average on the same date. We are currently between 98 and 103% of the 5-year normal. That doesn't mean we are out of the woods yet. A continued cool spell or an early freeze could still be devastating. Gary is up next with some information on the moisture situation.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, we got just enough rain this week to improve those drought conditions just a little bit on the eastern edge. Unfortunately, the biggest rains didn't fall in the worst hit areas, but we did have improvements, as I said. Let's take a look at the latest drought monitor map and see what we have. As you can see, we have a big blob of moderate to severe to extreme drought across west central and southwestern Oklahoma. Now, the drought in southwest Oklahoma has trimmed a little bit further to the west, but we still see those severe to extreme drought conditions existing across mostly Harmon County and Roger Mills and Beckham counties. And out in the Panhandle, of course, we still continue with that long-lived severe drought out in the western Panhandle and a little bit of moderate drought over in the eastern Panhandle. But other than that, most of the state is looking pretty good for drought right now. However, we are looking at some danger areas across the eastern parts of the state. Now, one of the big drivers of our weather during the cool season, let's say from November through March, is La Nina or El Nino. Now, for this coming fall and winter, we do have a La Nina present and is expected to persist through the winter into early spring. As you can see on this map of the equatorial Pacific temperatures from the sea surface temperatures, we do see those cooler than normal sea surface temperatures off the west coast of South America, which indicates La Nina is currently in place, and again, it's expected to continue through the next 5 to 6 months. Now, La Nina is significant for us at times because it can bring us, as you see from this graphic, a little bit normal, drier and warmer than normal weather across the southern tier of the United States, including Oklahoma, as that jet stream shifts farther to the north and keeps us a little bit farther away from those storm systems that come through periodically during the winter season and the cool season throughout those 5 to 6 months. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.